Hi everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Now look what I have here for you today. I have the petroleum jelly. The petroleum jelly is a humectant that actually lock the moisture in the skin, seal the water in the skin and prevent it from escaping. This helps the skin to be totally hydrated. Petroleum jelly is widely used in skincare products and today we're going to use it to make a dry skin remedy. I'm going to be adding some natural ingredient to this to make a powerful dry skin treatment, a powerful dry skin jelly for your skin. It is good for dry hands, dry feet, dry lips, dry knees, dry elbows, dry hands. This is also great for stretch marks, varicose veins. It is a remedy that you can use all over your body, and this is also great for most skin type. So if you're looking for a dry skin jelly that is a very versatile, this is even good for your hair, for bald spot and thinning hair. Follow me to the kitchen. I'm going to share the recipe with you really quick, and I'm also going to share some tips along the way talking about all the ingredients that we're using in this remedy. Now before we get in the kitchen, if this is your first time watching and you have not yet subscribed to the channel, look below. You're going to see the word subscribe. It's as easy as that. Just click on it. Now why do you need to subscribe? You need to subscribe because we have some amazing content. If you're into skincare, this is the channel for you. If you're new to skincare, this is the channel for you. If you're looking for a wide variety of natural products, natural ingredients that you can use on the skin, this is the channel for you. So go ahead, click that subscribe button and then follow me to the kitchen for the recipe. So to make this remedy, I'm going to be using a small bowl. Now, the first ingredient is going to be petroleum jelly. Petroleum jelly is rich in minerals that is great for the skin. It acts on the skin as a humectant by locking that moisture in the skin, preventing the water from escaping from the skin. Once this is done, it allows your skin to stay fully hydrated, making this great for dry skin. Petroleum jelly is good to use as a standalone or mixed with other ingredients for a maximum dry skin remedy, as I'm going to share today. So I'm using 1 teaspoon of the petroleum jelly, and what I'm going to do with this jelly is to melt. You can choose to melt this in a microwave or you can choose to melt it over a double boiler. I choose to melt mine over some hot water. Make sure the water is to boiling point. And once we add this 1 teaspoon of petroleum jelly, we're placing it over the water and we're going to mix until the petroleum jelly has been melted. Once the petroleum jelly is melted, it is now ready for the other ingredient. My first ingredient with the petroleum jelly is going to be some aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is hydrating to the skin. It contains vitamin C. It helps to clear the skin of hyperpigmentation, acne scars, dark spots, and even stretch marks like striation on the skin. Aloe vera also is good for sunburn, smooth the skin. I'm using 1 teaspoon of the aloe vera gel, adding this to the bowl with the petroleum jelly, and now I'm going to mix the two ingredients together, totally blending it, and you can see how this is forming a gel-like consistency. So continue to mix and mix well. For this recipe, if you want to make more, double up on the ingredient. Next, I'm going to reach for some castor oil, a very popular oil that you can use on your skin. Good for varicose veins, good for stretch marks, good for clearing pigmentation all over the body. It's also a great oil for regrowing hair, bald spot, lashes, and brows. Very versatile for your skin. So I'm using about a teaspoon of the castor oil, and I'm gonna mix this in with the rest of the ingredient, and I'm gonna mix well. Next, I'm gonna reach for some coconut oil. And coconut oil is another amazing humectant used on the skin. Lock the moisture in the skin, preventing the water from escaping on the skin. Coconut oil is great for knees, elbows, stretch marks, any form of a striation, scrapes and scratches on the skin. Coconut oil also is good for your hair, good for dry scalp, good for split end, also good for your cuticles. Makes this a great ingredient to use in this remedy. I'm using 1 teaspoon of the coconut oil, and I'm now going to mix all the ingredients together. We're mixing petroleum jelly, we're mixing aloe vera gel, castor oil, and coconut oil. Oh my goodness, such an amazing combination of ingredients to use on your skin. This is good for cracked lips. This is good for dry hands. This is good for your neck. This is good for the knees, the elbows. This is good for your buttocks. This is good for stretch marks on your stomach, behind your legs. This is also great for your cuticles. Just a great dry skin remedy that you can make at home using petroleum jelly as your base. No need to store this in the refrigerator. Keep it on the countertop and use it on your skin daily or as needed. Here you have it. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share. This dry skin remedy, you can also use it as a lip balm. So what are you waiting for, guys? Just go ahead, whip it up, make it, use it on your skin, and after using for a couple of weeks, come back and leave a comment. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye.